Anyway, got a couple things in Walmart. Campus section. Standard these, because, yeah, you know, but I splurged $20-something on the Gerber vise. I need a good little thing like this. Oh, I don't have my knife. Yes, I have a... Don't do what I'm about to do. Don't ever do what I'm about to do. Yeah. Oh no, wait, I can put... No, I can get this open. The non-violent way. Ah! Gerber vise. $20-something. I see a decent tool. Yes, it's not a dime, but it's something that I might wanted. I need just something for the pocket. And yeah, my foot is hurting still. Whew. Oh, come on. Oh my god. I'm gonna have to do the violent way. Thanks, I'm gonna have to do the violent way now. Thanks. I'm gonna have to do the violent way. Oh my god. God, I hate this. I hate this. God, this cardboard. My god. You sure no one's gonna steal this crap? Oh, I had a knife somewhere. Gerber quality. Not doing what I'm about to do. Do not do what I'm about to do. Because I would not recommend it. Is this how I open it? Is this how it's going to open, bro? Oh my god. This is why we're so cheapo. 50 minutes of me just opening this. Well, really? What? Excuse me? Really? What? I hate this freaking tool. Oh my god. I hate this freaking tool. I hate this freaking thing because it's like, unless I can get this from here, but can I? I can't, can I? I think. Something's happening. God, I hate... This is why I don't buy Gerber. Because I know the pain in the butt thing. Okay, finally. Finally. Holy God, really? Give me the freaking tool I paid $20-something for. What? Yeah. Ubiquitous, I think, but it's really nice. Okay. So it's on here. Oh, I have to do it. Do I have to do it this? Oh, okay. Thank you. God, I'll have to do it this way. Because that would piss me off. Unless I have to. No, I don't. Okay. So it looks like. So this is nice. I just need a little tool for my pocket. Oh, nice. I like that. It's small and good. This is a blade. I know that. But what? What? Are you fucking? Is there any? Okay, okay, this all is gonna kind of work. Here's a screwdriver type thing. Is screwdriver thing? Is that a what? Okay, what the heck? Okay, what is this? What is this bullcrap nonsense? It's weird. Hope one of these is an actual freaking knife, because I really want to see what a knife looks like. Blade? One of these is this way. Oh, nice, a little saw. Oh, that's nice. It's good. It's not. That's gonna be good for a saw. Like a saw type. It's straight blade, pretty cool. Very nice. I like this because it's small. When I get this knife out, I'll be happy as heck, boy. My God. I had to go to Walmart anyway. So. Okay, does this have anything to do with anything here? This thing. Let's go with Vice. Oh, it has a. That's useful for something. That, and then that. That's nice and smooth, which is pretty nice. I'm gonna oil this up anyway. I get the chance. Let me get the. This is the. If this is not a knife, I'll be pissed off. Oh no, that's not the knife. How do I get this knife out? How do I get the knife out? The other knife. Oh, fine. Jeez, that looks sharp. This looks sharp. Oh, this looks sharp. I think it did. That's nice. That's pretty. Okay, so that's the groin. And guess what I'm about to do? Where'd it go? I want to cut you because you annoyed the out of me. Where'd it go? You annoyed the crap out of me, so I have to cut you. You stupid thing. God, like, that's what pisses me off about a lot of like these things. Since this is the most, like, whatever in the world. Oh yeah, oh my, yeah, that's gonna cut. That's gonna cut nice. So yeah. Kind of, you get it oiled up. But it's nice and compact, which I like. Gerber Bass. Of course, it has one of these stupid things. I pinched my finger, by the way. But yeah, this will work for what I need to do. Anyway, God bless and peace. And Postbox Bible, episode in Wasteland, and finally splurging on a Gerber. Watch him I say, oh, the Gerber Vice is crap. I swear to God, somebody would. One thing I don't like is this. I don't like this. This thing right here, the double, I don't like that. That's weird. But I have a small little Gerber that's good quality that should do what I need for like small, survival tasks. Anyway, God bless and peace.